Welcome to my YouTube channel. I assure you that you have made a right choice by investing your time in this video.
First of all, we would like to express our deepest gratitude to all our subscribers without whom this channel wouldn't have been successful. It takes time, but with your continuous support, we are encouraged to strive and grow. We also like our new audiences to be part of this channel by subscribing and sharing our videos.
Let's talk about today's topic, Bitcoin. So what is Bitcoin? Explaining somebody Bitcoin today is like explaining the internet to people a few decades ago.
No. Please wait a minute. I don't understand one word you're saying. But it sounds great. If you say it can be done, that's good enough for me.
In simple words, it is money. The money whose value is not controlled by central government but by people like you and me through peer-to-peer transaction. We'll explore more into this concept later in this video tutorial. So do watch this video till the end because I'll be sharing you a lot of concepts in this video that is going to just blow your mind. Furthermore, if you are in financial sector, cybersecurity sector or just tech enthusiastic, this video will provide you with a great deal of information that you don't want to miss. So stay tuned. Let's talk about creating your first Bitcoin wallet through Electrum. Electrum is a digital wallet from where you can receive and send Bitcoin. It is just like PayPal or Skrill digital wallets, which holds only Bitcoins rather than other currency. Okay, let me start my Google Chrome. I'll now go to Electrum website. So this is the website of Electrum. As you can see from here that we have different option to install to download Electrum for different types of operating system. Okay, for this demonstration purpose I am going to use Windows installer of Electrum. So there is nothing to it, you can easily download and install Electrum, so it is not that difficult. So after installation I will click this desktop icon. Now you want to first select auto connect option here. Then you want to rename your wallet name. So I will be renaming my wallet name as a Risk Simplifier wallet, but of course you can select any name you like. Okay, select standard wallet option. Then select create a new seed as this is your new wallet. Okay, seed is important because if by any chance you uninstall this wallet or if your computer gets crashed, then you can restore your wallet using this seed value along with all the Bitcoin that you have in that wallet. Under seed type you want to select legacy instead of SegWit. This is very important. Okay, now this is your seed value. You need to keep this seed value very safe. Okay, you don't want to lose it or neither you want to share it with others. And for this demonstration purpose I'm going to copy this seed value in a notepad because I'll show its use later on this video. Okay, now again this is asking me to confirm seed, so I am going to copy paste the seed value that I have copied earlier. Okay, now you have to input the password here. So always put a longer password rather than short with alphanumerical combination, because it has been proven that longer passwords are difficult to crack than shorter or complicated one. Okay, this is your wallet. You have now successfully created your first Bitcoin wallet. The first thing you see here is the history tab. History tab shows all the transaction you have done in a Bitcoin. But since this is this is our new wallet, we don't have any transaction. Okay. Now let's look at our receive tab. This is the receiving address. Okay. So whenever you want to receive any Bitcoin from somebody else, you need to send this address to that person, and he will send the Bitcoin in this address. Okay. You have also option of QR code. Okay. You can just click this or photograph this QR code and send it to somebody from which you want to receive Bitcoin. So under send tab and under pay to field, you can input address field here. Okay, just like that you have seen before. So we can put a address field of somebody in that field and send Bitcoin to him or her. Okay. Last thing I want to tell you about is this button right here. This is a network button. So when it is green, it means that we are connected to network. But when it is red, it means we are disconnected from network. There is another color which is blue. It means that we are connecting over the Tor network. So if you have installed this wallet in operating system like Tails, which allows you to connect over the Tor network directly, then the color of this circle will be your blue. And if you are wondering about what is Tor, what is darknet, deep web, then you can check out my article given in the description section of this video. Okay. I want you to understand this very clearly. In some countries, it is illegal to trade in Bitcoin. In Nepal, it is illegal to trade in Bitcoin. As you can see from this notice from Nepal Rashtra Bank, which is the central bank of Nepal, it says clearly that Bitcoin is not recognized as the official currency of Nepal, so it is illegal for anybody to carry out any transactions in the Bitcoin. But if you are in other countries, you want to first check with your country's regulatory requirements before you decide to do transactions in Bitcoin. For this demonstration purpose only, I am going to use how Bitcoin transaction is done through the gift card. I am going to convert a PlayStation gift card into the Bitcoin. Again, watch this video till the end. I will tell you the risk behind it. For those who do not know what PlayStation gift card is, it is like a prepaid card which you can use only to buy PlayStation games, just like in department stores where you will be given a gift card for purchasing goods at discount price. Now there are many websites which lets you to trade your gift card, and CoinCola is one of them. So this is the website of CoinCola. First you need to register CoinCola with either by your email or your phone. Okay, so it is a very simple and easy to register in CoinCola. So they don't ask you a lot of questions. Okay, now you have to set a payment password. It is like a transaction pin. If you have used internet banking application or different other wallets. Okay, so make sure that your payment password are longer and complicated. Okay, let's go to gift card trade section. Okay, these are vendor who are willing to purchase your gift cards for Bitcoin. Since I have a PlayStation gift card, so I will search for the vendors, and there are altogether 3 vendors, and I'm going to select this vendor because his limit is quite low, from 20 USD dollar to 1000 USD dollar. So since I am selling only 20 USD dollar worth of gift card, I'll enter the value $20. See how much dollar worth Bitcoin will I be getting? Only $9. That is below half of my value of gift card. So why somebody in their right mind will do this transaction? I will explain you the reason later in this video, but for this example, I will place the value. I will click on buy now button, then I will place order. Okay, so your order has been created. Okay, now I will click I have paid button. Okay, so these are the instruction of that I need to follow to sell my gift card. So I need to send message to this vendor. Okay, so just I have sent him hi. He has replied me as a hello. Okay, so I will type some messages regarding that I have a one PlayStation card that I like to sell for Bitcoin. Okay, let's see what happens. See, this vendor is taking long time to reply me because there are a lot of I think there are a lot of customer who wants to sell their gift cards to him, and he has to cater them all. Okay, okay, I will again ask him. Okay, so he has not replied me, so I have to initiate the conversation. Okay, so he is asking me to send e-codes of my gift card. Okay, I will say tell you what the e-codes look like, or you might already know that. Okay, okay, so this is my PlayStation gift card, and these are the e-codes which he is asking about. So I need to copy paste and send it to that vendor. Okay, so I will now send him my codes of a PlayStation gift card, and he will take some time to verify these codes whether they are genuine or not, and this will take some time. Okay, you can see that I have created option in the circle there. Okay, I have just created my order, and there are certain steps that need to be followed. Okay, there are step 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, in the meantime, let's check the credibility of this vendor. So this vendor has done 1000 about trades. Okay, now he has also rating of 99%. That is very good. Okay, now I think he has verified my codes, and my assets has been released, or meaning that I have received the Bitcoin. Okay, so let's check that. I'll go to my wallet, and as you can see, I have received 0.000924449 Bitcoin. Wow, that is very low amount. So, by the way, do you know that Bitcoin can be broken down into 8 decimal places so that any amount of money can be represented in a Bitcoin? Now let's try to withdraw this Bitcoin and transfer it to my wallet. So in withdraw address, I'm going to put my receiving address of wallet. Just copy paste. It's very easy stuff. Okay, and then I'm going to put the withdraw amount here. So let's withdraw whole amount, and let's see what happens. Okay, I need to put my payment password that I have created earlier. My transaction is not successful because I am getting error of minimum balance. Because if you see here, minimum withdrawal amount is 0.0003 bitcoins with network transfer fee of 0.0005 bitcoins, which can be greater depending upon the network congestion. So total comes around to be 0.0008 and plus, and I have only around 0.0009 Bitcoin. So I think it is not enough to make successful transfer. Anyway, you got the idea. In some countries, this kind of transaction may be illegal, as you may be charged with money laundering. For newbies, money laundering is not converting illegal money to legal, but it is the process of hiding the source of income. Have I confused you? I'm so sorry. Let me clarify this with an example. Let's say somebody, we'll call him Mr. Criminal, has stolen a whole bunch of credit cards. He cannot use those cards directly because the transaction can be traced and he will be caught. So his next genius plan is to buy a lot of gift cards from those credit cards. Then he will convert the value of those gift cards into bitcoins. So in this way, what he has done is called money laundering. He had obtained those cards illegally by stealing and converted the money into gift cards. Again, the source of income of that gift card is stolen money from credit cards, right? Finally, once he has converted gift cards into Bitcoin, he has successfully hidden the source of income, because the whole premise of Bitcoin is based on privacy and anonymity. This is the reason why in an earlier demonstration I was offered $9 worth of Bitcoin rather than $20, because the vendor knows that anybody who has bought gift cards genuinely will not convert it for Bitcoin unless that person has a dubious motive. Having said that, I don't want you to take this point home, that is, Bitcoin is bad. The purpose which had led to the creation of Bitcoin was very good. It is the best gift for humankind. With privacy there comes anonymity. Both concepts look similar in a sense, but may carry different meanings according to the situation. You want privacy, that is your right. But when somebody wants to be anonymous, then the main objective here is that he does not want others to find out what he is doing. In most cases, that may not be for the right purpose. Take the example of Silk Road, where anybody could buy any kind of illegal drugs via Bitcoin. Yes, some bad actors are using Bitcoin, but aren't there in other sectors? That's it for this tutorial. I hope you have found this very useful. If so, please share this video as much as possible so that others will also get benefit from this tutorial. We are soon going to start YouTube series regarding learning Python programming through ethical hacking. I'll be teaching you about Python programming from the beginning and also the beginner concepts of hacking with all practical examples. This is going to be a very interesting course. So if you are interested, subscribe to this YouTube channel and hit the bell icon to never miss any updates.